Welcome to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Pancit Malabon Express franchise business ideas. Pancit Malabon Express started in the year 2000 when engineer Lutgardo Cruz constructed a food cart complete with high-tech equipment where customers would be able to see the preparation of Pancit Malabon. Their franchising rapidly grew where they now have more than 30 franchise stores. As a support service, Engineer Cruz established LVC Fresh Foods Manufacturing Incorporated, which houses the commissary that supplies all PME outlets. The commissary produces all the ingredients and supplies the raw materials, packaging materials, and other food products proprietary to Pancit Malabon Express. Their vision and mission: to be a renowned Filipino specialty fast food chain serving food at exceptional taste, premium quality, and great value supported by outstanding service all over the world. The Pancit Malabon Express products. They offer the famous Pancit Malabon, Pancit Puti, Pancit Canton, and seafood rice. The following products under Fiesta Meals are Lumpiang Malabon, Tahong Nuggets, Rellenong Bangus, Fried Chicken, Lechon Malabon, and Pork Chop. The following are their budget meals: Lumpiang Malabon, Tahong Nuggets, Fried Chicken, Pork Barbecue, and Chicken Barbecue. For the short order, they have crispy boneless bangus, crispy hipon, garlic shrimp, sinigang na baboy, sinigang boneless bangus, and sinigang na hipon. For their salo-salo products, they offer Lumpiang Malabon, Tahong Nuggets, and Pork Barbecue. They also have turon as their dessert. Who can be a franchisee? Number 1, hands-on owner or manager. Number 2, aggressive, determined, and focused. Number 3, strong belief in the business and products. Number 4, people who really mean business. Their food concepts. Number 1, especially unique. Number 2, less competition versus other types of food. Number 3, based on a more than 100-year-old recipe. And number 4, cooked right before your eyes. The following are the types of franchise packages. They offer kiosk package. The franchise package is worth 350,000 pesos with a minimum space requirement of 20 square meters. They offer takeout and delivery, and this includes 8,000 worth of initial stocks. For the restaurant package, the franchise package is worth 600,000 pesos with a minimum space requirement of 50 square meters. They offer dine-in, take-out, and delivery. This includes 12,000 worth of initial stocks. For the franchise term, the franchise term is 3 years renewable after every 3 years for a total of 9 years. For the franchise package inclusions, number 1, use of name, logo, and trademarks. Number 2, Pancit Malabon Express Operations Manual. Number 3, training of personnels. Number 4, marketing and management consultancy. Number 5, advertising and promotion support. Number 6, site evaluation and analysis assistance. Number 7, well-defined territorial coverage. Number 8, menu development assistance. And number 9, additional profit-generating products and services. For the franchising procedure, number 1, Submit letter of intent with location or vicinity map of the target site. Number 2. Fill out and submit the application form. Number 3. The area and site inspection for approval. Number 4. Discussion of roles and responsibilities, contract signing, and franchise fee payment. Number 5. Orientation and manpower training. And lastly, number 6, store setup. For the contact details, you may contact Pancit Malabon Express Incorporated Head Office with the address Room 1108 Ermita Center Building, 1350 Rojas Boulevard, Manila, Philippines. You may call them on their mobile number 63917-853-4629, and you can call them on their landline number 028523-7229 and 028567-2205. You may send them an email at pmexpressinc@yahoo.com and info@pansitmalabon.com. You can also visit their Facebook page at PM Express INC. You can visit their website at www.pansitmalabonexpress.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Pancit Malabon Express franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.